Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a few online hauls. I picked up a few things off of Amazon, and I also picked up something from HSN and a few other little stores, and I wanted to share with you what I found. I was watching my friend's channel here on YouTube. Her name is Amy, and her channel is My Teddy Boo. She had shared this hot glue gun holder that she picked up off of HSN. It's called Totally Tiffany, and it's a hot glue gun holder. As you can see, I'll take this off so that you can see all of the information. I thought this was a genius product, and I was so happy that she'd shared it because this totally solves my hot glue gun issues. I want to share with you my glue gun that I've been using, and I love this glue gun, and as you can see, it's all icky. My kids are notorious for leaving this glue gun on, using it, playing with it, squeezing out the glue, playing with it after it dries up. It's really annoying, but now this has a place where I can store my glue gun. So since I bought this glue gun, glue gun holder, I figured I'd get a new glue gun, so that's what I did. But what I like about this hot glue gun holder is that it has a place for your hot glue gun to rest. So it can sit just like that. When it oozes out onto this like glass plate. And so it gets hard and you're just able to rub it off, and then it's clean. You don't have to worry about it rubbing off or oozing off onto your desk, messing up, you know, anything that you have on your desk. And then secondly, this part right here, it holds your glue sticks. So I just love it. I love the size of it, and I think it's genius, and I just love the fact that I can rest it here. It's not gonna go anywhere, and it's perfect. So definitely check out HSN for this product if you're interested. I did find a new glue gun, you guys, and I love this glue gun. I really did like this one, and I'm actually may order another one like this. I still do like this, but what I like about this one is that it's like a super fine detail. If you can notice the size of the tip on the green glue gun, it's smaller, and I absolutely love it, and it's perfect for like tiny embellishments, or just when you want a little dab of hot glue, not a lot. This one is also a detail glue gun, and it works excellent as well, but this one is slightly smaller, and I'll just go like that so you guys can see the comparison and see what I'm talking about. But anyway, I just thought I'd share with you this hot glue gun. I'm really excited, and I really am loving my new hot glue gun. If you want to find this glue gun, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I did get it off Amazon, so just check that out if you're interested. All right, so moving along, I did do a couple of online hauls. I did pick up this die from My Creative Time, and it has an XOXO die in the set, and then this is the frame, and this is what it looks like. And this is absolutely adorable. I did share a picture on my Instagram of what it looks like cut out, and I don't have the XOXO die in here, but it's absolutely adorable. So check out my Instagram feed if you want to see what this die looks like cut out. It's absolutely adorable. And then I also picked up this stamp set right here, Funny Mail. This is from Jaded Blossom. I love their stamps and their dies, and I really wanted to get this particular set for Happy Mail. I have seen projects using the stamp set, so that's what made me want to purchase this one. So super cute. And then I did go back into Hobby Lobby, and I was able to find a few more things, so I just figured I would share a few more of my finds at Hobby Lobby. Picked up this really cute washi tape. One was $1. Oops, sorry. This one was $1, and this one was $1.25, and it's like sweet treat themed, and I thought that was super cute and a great price. I know that Hobby Lobbies are still marking things down. A lady in Idaho told me that her stores, just like the other day, just started their markdown. So don't give up on Hobby Lobby if your stores haven't done the markdowns yet. They are still marking stuff down, just in case you were wondering. I did find this really adorable stamp. It was $1.75, and it says, "Throw kindness around like confetti," and I just thought that was super cute as well. And then I did pick up these pink and turquoise and gray paper clips. I mean, clothespins. I don't know why I always call them paper clips. Anyway, these are $2 for a big bag of 60, so great find there. And then I did pick up this set of gemstones. I just liked the colors and thought they were pretty, and that was 75 cents. And then I did pick up 2 rolls of this paper shop paper. This particular one was on clearance for $1.75, and then the gold polka dot. This one wasn't on sale, but I did pick it up at 50% off because the paper was 50% off the week I went in. So I just thought those 2 were really pretty. I almost got them all, but I'm like, was trying to be good and not go super crazy in Hobby Lobby. And then lastly, I did go back into my Michaels, and they had their Valentine's Day stuff on sale, and I picked up a few of their Valentine's Day goodies. So I figured I would share with you guys. I picked up these foam and felt stickers, and I just thought those were really, really cute. I picked up these wooden hearts. They're the conversation hearts, and I just liked all the little words that are on here. Super cute. I did pick up some of the Valentine's Day stickers. This is some of the ephemera. This is what it looks like in the back if you haven't seen it. And it goes with that paper. I found the foam stickers that are the sweet treat theme, and these are absolutely adorable. And I think I want to go back and get a few more of these. They're just so cute. So pick that one up. And then I also picked up these stickers as well, and I just love the food and the punny little sayings and stuff like that. I just love this line, and I couldn't pass it up. So I picked up the super cute food. I especially like the avocados. Adorable. I did pick up these red wooden hearts, and they're glittered, and they are, yeah, they're wood. And then lastly, or actually I picked up a few more things. I picked up this set as well, and these are stickers, and they're really a nice size. I already opened up the package because I already been playing, but they're really nice stickers. Look at the size, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. You get a bike. This one says Be Mine. There's a lock and key, and you get this really cute one right here. Adorable. And I think you get 2 of each, so that's really nice. So I can share. Really, really pretty hearts, and you get arrows. That one says Adore You. And then you got this one right here. That's a huge lock, heart lock. And this adorable one. They're really good size stickers. I really like this one that says Hello Love. And again, you get 2 of each. So I picked those up, and then I also picked up these. These were the last 2 of the binder clips, and they're really, really cute. I love the little lips and the hearts, and you know, that doesn't necessarily have to be Valentine's Day theme, even though it's kind of geared towards it, but I can use these in traveler's notebooks and just like little gift bags and things like that. So I picked the last 2 up in my store. And then I did pick up this felt trim and this glitter trim pack, and this is in the Creatology, the kids crafts section at Michael's, and I just thought these 2 were adorable, so I picked those up. So that is my haul for you today. Please check the description box below for more product information. If you have any questions, of course, leave me a comment in the description box below. Thanks for stopping by today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.